I know it sounds crazy. At one point, some people are like, what's going on with Antarctica?
To me, the obvious answer is we are dealing with the fingerprints of a lost civilization that mapped the world and that left evidence of that mapping, which ancient map makers found and used and incorporated into their map. I think the best evidence for it is ancient maps, which show the world as it looked during the last ice age.
And that's where they say Eisenhower made a deal with these aliens.
The presence of Antarctica on ancient maps, because we didn't discover it until 1820, and yet it's on maps drawn in the 1500s with great detail.
Number 1, imaging technology unveils Arctic mysteries. The harsh and enigmatic environment of the Arctic has long captivated explorers and scientists alike. Recent advancements in imaging technology have revolutionized our understanding of this remote region, uncovering secrets hidden beneath the ice that were previously unimaginable. These technologies, including remote sensing, sonar mapping, and submersible drones, have allowed researchers to peer beneath the frozen surface, revealing a world teeming with life and geological wonders. One of the most significant breakthroughs came with the use of sonar mapping, which has enabled scientists to create detailed images of the ocean floor and the structures beneath the ice. This technology has uncovered ancient geological formations and provided insights into the Earth's climatic past. For instance, sonar imaging has revealed vast underwater mountain ranges and deep-sea trenches, offering clues about the tectonic activity in the region. Submersible drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors have further expanded our knowledge of the Arctic. These remotely operated vehicles can navigate the icy waters and capture detailed footage of underwater ecosystems. Recent expeditions have discovered thriving communities of sponges and other life forms existing in near-total darkness and extreme cold, challenging previous assumptions about the limits of life on Earth. Moreover, imaging technology has played a crucial role in understanding the impact of climate change on the Arctic. Satellite imagery has been instrumental in monitoring the melting ice sheets and the resulting rise in sea levels. These observations have underscored the urgent need for global efforts to mitigate climate change and protect this fragile environment. Number 2, Joe Rogan discusses Soviet discoveries in the Arctic. In a riveting episode of Joe Rogan's podcast, a deep dive into the Arctic's enigmatic depths revealed Soviet divers' otherworldly discoveries, hinting at mysteries that could rewrite history. The Arctic, with its forbidding environment and largely uncharted territories, has long been a focal point for explorers and researchers. Rogan sheds light on Soviet expeditions that ventured beneath the icy waters, uncovering bizarre and inexplicable phenomena that left scientists both baffled and intrigued. During these clandestine missions, Soviet divers reported encountering massive, ancient structures hidden beneath the ice, adorned with mysterious symbols and towering statues. These findings suggest the presence of a forgotten civilization, one that predates our known history and challenges conventional scientific understanding. The divers' accounts describe not only these architectural marvels, but also strange entities that seem to defy the known laws of biology and physics. Rogan's discussion further explores the implications of these discoveries. The revelation of such ancient and advanced structures raises significant questions about humanity's past and the potential for other intelligent life forms that once inhabited or still occupy these remote regions. The podcast also delves into the broader context of these findings, considering the geopolitical and scientific ramifications of uncovering such secrets during the Cold War era. The Soviet discoveries in the Arctic, as presented by Joe Rogan, serve as a poignant reminder of how much remains unknown about our planet. They inspire both awe and curiosity, urging further exploration and understanding of the hidden wonders that lie beneath the Arctic ice. Number 3. Operation Sunshine, the historic journey of the USS Nautilus. In 1958, the USS Nautilus, the world's first nuclear-powered submarine, embarked on a groundbreaking mission known as Operation Sunshine. This mission was a pivotal moment in naval history, underscoring the remarkable advancements in submarine technology and marking a significant achievement during the Cold War era. The Nautilus, equipped with a cutting-edge submarine thermal reactor, could remain submerged for extended periods, a stark contrast to older diesel-electric submarines that required frequent surfacing. Operation Sunshine's objective was to navigate beneath the North Pole, a feat never before attempted. This mission showcased the strategic advantage of nuclear-powered submarines, capable of extended underwater endurance and vast operational ranges. On August 3, 1958, after overcoming challenges such as thick, impassable ice, the Nautilus successfully completed its journey, becoming the first vessel to reach the geographic North Pole underwater. This historic voyage was not just a demonstration of technological prowess, but also a significant geopolitical statement. During the tense Cold War period, the successful completion of Operation Sunshine highlighted the United States' superiority in submarine technology, sending a clear message to the Soviet Union and the world. The mission's success opened new possibilities for secret military operations and scientific exploration in previously inaccessible regions. The creation of the Nautilus was a collaborative effort between the Electric Boat Company and the Argonne National Laboratory. The submarine's nuclear reactor not only provided ample power for long voyages, but also solved critical issues such as freshwater supply by desalinating seawater. The Nautilus continued to set records and contribute to naval operations until its retirement in 1980. Number 4. The significance of the Antarctic Treaty of 1959. The Antarctic Treaty of 1959 represents a landmark agreement in international diplomacy and environmental conservation. Signed by 12 nations at the height of the Cold War, the treaty established Antarctica as a zone dedicated exclusively to peaceful activities and scientific research, effectively preventing the continent from becoming a theater of military conflict or commercial exploitation. The treaty's significance lies in its comprehensive approach to preserving the unique environment of Antarctica. By banning military activity, including the establishment of military bases and fortifications, as well as nuclear tests and the disposal of radioactive waste, the treaty ensured that the pristine nature of the continent would be maintained. This was a crucial step in safeguarding the delicate ecosystems and unique wildlife that inhabit the region. Moreover, the Antarctic Treaty promotes scientific cooperation among nations. It allows for the free exchange of scientific information and personnel, fostering a spirit of collaboration and mutual understanding. This has led to significant advancements in our understanding of global climate systems, glaciology, and marine biology as researchers from around the world work together in the harshest of environments. The treaty has also been pivotal in setting a precedent for international environmental agreements. Its success demonstrated that nations could come together to protect a common heritage, leading to further treaties that protect other vulnerable regions and ecosystems. Over the years, the number of signatories has grown, reflecting a global commitment to the principles of the treaty. Number 5. Unexpected life beneath Antarctic ice. Beneath the frigid surface of Antarctica, scientists have made astonishing discoveries that challenge our understanding of life in extreme environments. For years, it was believed that the cold, nutrient-poor waters beneath the Antarctic ice shelves couldn't support much life. However, recent explorations have revealed thriving ecosystems that defy these assumptions. One of the most remarkable findings came from a research team led by Hugh Griffiths, who discovered sponges living in an area far from any usual food sources. Initially thought to be a rock blocking their path, a closer look with a camera revealed these sponges thriving in complete darkness and extreme cold. This unexpected discovery has raised questions about how these life forms manage to survive in such harsh conditions, with minimal food sources available. Further investigations have uncovered a hidden world beneath the ice, with over 379 subglacial lakes, including the massive Lake Vostok and Lake Whillans. These lakes harbor complex ecosystems, with researchers identifying around 4,000 species from DNA samples in Lake Whillans alone. The presence of significant amounts of dissolved organic carbon indicates a thriving ecosystem, sustained by methane-consuming bacteria. This discovery suggests that life can adapt and survive in isolation from the outside world, relying on unique metabolic processes. Number 6. Ancient discoveries, rainforests, and pyramids under ice. The icy expanse of Antarctica has long been a region shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Recent explorations and advancements in imaging technology have unveiled astonishing discoveries beneath its frozen surface, challenging our understanding of Earth's history and climate. Among these revelations are the remnants of ancient rainforests and pyramid-like structures, suggesting that Antarctica was once a vastly different landscape. In 2017, scientists from the Alfred Wegener Institute made an extraordinary discovery while exploring the seabed of Antarctica. They uncovered the remains of a 90-million-year-old rainforest, located near the South Pole. This ancient forest was once warm and humid, resembling the lush forests of present-day New Zealand. The fossilized roots, pollen, and spores found in the sediment cores indicate that during the mid-Cretaceous period, Antarctica had a mild climate with temperatures reaching up to 19 degrees, down 66 degrees. This suggests that the continent was once covered in greenery due to high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, with no major ice sheets present. The discovery of ancient rainforests beneath the ice provides critical insights into Earth's climatic past, demonstrating the drastic changes our planet has undergone. It also underscores the significant impact that atmospheric carbon dioxide levels can have on global temperatures, a finding that is particularly relevant in the context of current climate change discussions. Adding to the intrigue are the pyramid-like shapes spotted via satellite imagery. These formations, visible as the ice melts, have sparked speculation about ancient civilizations and lost histories. While most scientists consider these structures to be natural formations, the possibility that they could be man-made has fueled numerous conspiracy theories and wild guesses. The idea that an advanced civilization might have existed in Antarctica long before recorded history captivates the imagination, prompting further investigation and debate. Number 7. Antarctic wildlife and adaptations. The icy realm of Antarctica is home to a fascinating array of wildlife, each species uniquely adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Despite the extreme cold, high winds, and long periods of darkness, these animals have evolved remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in this frozen wilderness. Among the most iconic inhabitants are the emperor penguins. These resilient birds, breed during the Antarctic winter, enduring temperatures as low as 60 degrees, 76 degrees. They huddle together in tightly packed groups to conserve heat and take turns moving to the perimeter where it's coldest. Their thick layers of blubber and tightly packed feathers provide crucial insulation against the freezing temperatures. Seals are another prominent group in Antarctic waters. The Weddell seal, for example, has developed specialized teeth to create and maintain breathing holes in the ice. These seals can dive to depths of over 600 meters, 2,000 feet, and stay underwater for more than an hour, thanks to their efficient oxygen storage and slow metabolic rates. The Antarctic toothfish, often referred to as the crocodile icefish, possesses a unique adaptation to the cold. It has a glycoprotein in its blood that acts as antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming in its body. This adaptation allows it to survive in waters that are cold enough to freeze the blood of most other fish. Another fascinating example is the Antarctic krill, a small shrimp-like creature that forms the foundation of the Antarctic food web. Krill have the ability to shrink their bodies and revert to a juvenile state during periods of low food availability, allowing them to survive through the harsh winter months when phytoplankton, their primary food source, is scarce. Birds such as the albatross and the Arctic tern showcase impressive adaptations for long-distance travel. The Arctic tern, known for its extraordinary migratory journey, travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, covering a distance of up to 90,000 kilometers, 56,000 miles. This migration ensures they experience 2 summers annually, maximizing their feeding opportunities. Number 8. Soviet divers discover ancient structures beneath ice. In the icy waters of Antarctica, Soviet divers made a discovery that continues to baffle and intrigue scientists and historians alike. While conducting a routine mission, these divers stumbled upon what appeared to be the remnants of an ancient civilization, hidden beneath layers of ice and snow. The revelations from these expeditions have sparked numerous theories and debates about the history and mysteries of the Antarctic region. The divers reported encountering massive ancient structures adorned with intricate carvings and symbols. Unlike anything seen before, these formations included towering statues and pyramid-like edifices that suggested the presence of a once thriving civilization. The discovery was nothing short of groundbreaking, challenging the conventional understanding of human history and the capabilities of ancient societies. The structures were remarkably well preserved, owing to the ice's protective qualities, which shielded them from the ravages of time. This preservation allowed for detailed examination and documentation, revealing sophisticated architectural techniques and materials that hinted at a high level of technological advancement. The symbols and carvings found on these structures remain undeciphered, adding an air of mystery and prompting further investigation into their origins and significance. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of global history and prehistoric civilizations. It raises questions about human migration patterns, the existence of advanced societies in prehistory, and the potential for other undiscovered civilizations beneath the polar ice caps. The Soviet divers' findings suggest that Antarctica's icy expanse may hold many more secrets waiting to be uncovered. Number 9. Bird conservation efforts in the Antarctic. Antarctica, with its icy and harsh conditions, is home to a remarkable array of bird species that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. However, these birds face numerous challenges, from climate change to human activities, necessitating concerted conservation efforts to ensure their survival. Albatrosses are among the most iconic birds of the Antarctic, known for their impressive wingspans and long lifespans. These majestic birds, including species like the wandering albatross and the gray-headed albatross, are particularly vulnerable to human-induced threats. Accidental bycatch in fishing gear is a significant issue, with thousands of albatrosses dying each year due to entanglement in lines and nets. To combat this, organizations like the British Antarctic Survey are utilizing satellite monitoring to track albatross populations and identify high-risk areas, aiming to mitigate these accidental catches. The International Agreement on the Conservation of Albatrosses and Petrels, ACAP, plays a crucial role in protecting these birds. ACAP promotes global cooperation to minimize threats through measures like regulating fishing practices, controlling invasive species, and protecting critical habitats. Despite these efforts, many albatross species remain at risk, highlighting the need for ongoing and enhanced conservation initiatives. Another fascinating bird species, the Arctic tern, undertakes the longest migratory journey of any animal, traveling from pole to pole each year. Conservation efforts for Arctic terns focus on protecting their breeding and feeding grounds, which are threatened by climate change and habitat degradation. Monitoring programs and habitat restoration projects are essential to ensure these incredible travelers continue their epic migrations. Number 10. The hidden world of Lake Vostok and other subglacial lakes. Beneath the icy surface of Antarctica lies a hidden world that has captivated scientists and researchers. Among the most intriguing of these subglacial bodies of water is Lake Vostok, one of over 379 known subglacial lakes buried under the ice. Lake Vostok, stretching over 250 kilometers in length and reaching depths of about 800 meters, remains isolated under nearly 4 kilometers of ice, providing a unique environment for studying life in extreme conditions. Despite its isolation, Lake Vostok harbors a complex ecosystem. Researchers have discovered microorganisms that thrive in its cold, dark, and high-pressure environment. These life forms have adapted to survive without sunlight, often using chemical processes such as chemosynthesis, which involves deriving energy from chemical reactions rather than photosynthesis. The diversity of life in Lake Vostok, from bacteria and fungi to potentially more complex organisms, challenges our understanding of where life can exist. Lake Whillans, another subglacial lake, has also yielded surprising discoveries. DNA analysis has identified around 4,000 species, and significant amounts of dissolved organic carbon indicate a thriving ecosystem. These findings suggest that life can adapt to and flourish in isolation, relying on unique metabolic processes such as methane consumption. The study of subglacial lakes like Vostok and Whillans provides valuable insights into Earth's geological history. Some of these lakes may have been isolated for up to 35 million years, offering a glimpse into ancient microbial life and climatic conditions. Additionally, the water systems connecting these lakes influence glacier movement and global climate patterns, highlighting the interconnectedness of Earth's natural systems. The exploration of Antarctica's subglacial lakes also has implications for the search for life beyond Earth. Scientists believe that the icy moons of Jupiter, Europa, and Saturn, Enceladus, may harbor similar environments where life could exist in subsurface oceans. The discoveries in Lake Vostok and other subglacial lakes thus serve as analogues for extraterrestrial research, expanding our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. Number 11. The Antarctic strawberry feather star, a unique sea creature. In the frigid waters surrounding Antarctica, researchers have discovered a remarkable and unique sea creature known as the Antarctic strawberry feather star, Chromacochrinus kerguelensis. This vibrant and intriguing animal belongs to the crinoid family and is named for its striking resemblance to a strawberry due to its bright red coloration and round body. The Antarctic strawberry feather star is adapted to thrive in the dark, cold depths of the Southern Ocean. Unlike many of its relatives, this feather star does not anchor itself to the seabed. Instead, it swims freely, using its numerous feathery arms to navigate and feed. These arms, which can number up to 20, are equipped with tiny tube feet covered in mucus, allowing the feather star to capture plankton and other small particles from the water as it moves. Living at depths ranging from shallow waters to over 1,000 meters deep, the Antarctic strawberry feather star is a testament to the rich biodiversity hidden beneath the Antarctic ice. Its ability to survive in such extreme conditions highlights the incredible adaptability of marine life in the region. This species has been found in various locations around Antarctica, showcasing the complex and interconnected ecosystems that exist in these icy waters. Number 12. Chinstrap penguins. Survival in harsh conditions. Chinstrap penguins, Pygocelis antarcticus, are a remarkable and resilient species, thriving in the extreme conditions of the Antarctic and subantarctic regions. Recognizable by the distinctive narrow black band under their heads that give them their name, these penguins are well adapted to survive in some of the planet's harshest environments. Chinstrap penguins breed on the rocky, ice-free shores of islands scattered around the Antarctic Peninsula and the South Sandwich Islands. Their breeding season is a race against time, as they must hatch and rear their chicks during the brief Antarctic summer. The males arrive at the breeding sites first to establish territories and build nests from stones. Once the females arrive, they lay 2 eggs, and both parents share the responsibilities of incubation and feeding the chicks. These penguins have evolved several adaptations to cope with their frigid habitat. Their dense plumage provides excellent insulation, while a thick layer of blubber helps them maintain body heat in icy waters. Their strong, flipper-like wings make them agile swimmers, capable of diving to depths of up to 70 meters to hunt krill, fish, and other small marine organisms. Climate change poses a significant threat to chinstrap penguins, as warming temperatures and melting ice affect the availability of their primary food sources. Overfishing and competition from other species further exacerbate these challenges. Conservation efforts are crucial to monitor and protect their populations, ensuring these resilient birds continue to thrive. Despite the harsh conditions they face, chinstrap penguins exhibit remarkable resilience and adaptability. Their ability to survive and flourish in such an unforgiving environment is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of life in the Antarctic ecosystem. Number 13. Mysteries of Lake Baikal. Alien encounters and paranormal activities. Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, has long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Located in southern Siberia, this rift lake is known for its incredible depth of over 5,000 feet, and its vast surface area, covering more than 30,000 square kilometers. However, beyond its natural wonders, Lake Baikal is also infamous for its alleged alien encounters and paranormal activities. In 1982, a chilling event was reported by Soviet Navy divers during a routine training exercise in the lake. The divers encountered humanoid figures, later dubbed the Lake Baikal swimmers, dressed in shiny silver suits and swimming without any apparent diving equipment. These beings, standing about 9 feet tall, were unlike anything the divers had ever seen. The encounter took a terrifying turn when the Soviet team attempted to capture one of these entities, only to be repelled by a mysterious force that caused severe decompression issues, leading to the tragic deaths of 3 divers. This incident, kept secret by the Soviet government for years, has fueled numerous theories about the presence of extraterrestrial life and advanced technologies hidden beneath Lake Baikal's icy depths. Some believe that these beings might be aliens who have found refuge in the lake's inhospitable environment, far from human reach. The accounts of disc-like objects moving at extraordinary speeds underwater, mirroring the submarine's movements before disappearing into the sky, further add to the lake's enigmatic reputation. The combination of Lake Baikal's ancient history, its unique ecosystem, and these extraordinary encounters makes it a focal point for researchers and conspiracy theorists alike. As scientists continue to explore its depths, the mysteries of Lake Baikal challenge our understanding of life on Earth and beyond, prompting us to reconsider the possibilities of what lies beneath its surface. Number 14. The role of seals in the Antarctic ecosystem. Seals play a crucial role in the Antarctic ecosystem, acting as both predators and prey in this intricate and harsh environment. Different species of seals, such as the Weddell seal, cray-beta seal, leopard seal, and Ross seal, each contribute uniquely to the balance of the ecosystem. The Weddell seal is a key player due to its ability to live and breed on the ice. Known for their remarkable diving capabilities, Weddell seals can dive to depths of over 600 meters and stay submerged for up to 80 minutes. This ability allows them to hunt for fish, squid, and other marine organisms, thereby controlling the population of these species and maintaining the balance within the food web. Cray-beta seals, despite their name, primarily feed on krill. They possess specialized teeth that enable them to filter these small crustaceans from the water efficiently. By consuming large quantities of krill, cray-beta seals help regulate the population of this foundational species, which is crucial for the Antarctic marine food web, as krill are a primary food source for many other animals, including whales and penguins. Leopard seals are the apex predators of the Antarctic waters. They prey on a variety of animals, including penguins, fish, and even other seals. Their predation helps keep the populations of these species in check, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant and disrupting the ecological balance. Ross seals, although less studied, are known for their solitary nature and deep diving habits. They contribute to the ecosystem by preying on fish and squid, similar to Weddell seals, and by being part of the diet for larger predators like orcas. Number 15. Antarctic terns and albatrosses, long-distance migratory birds. Antarctic terns and albatrosses are two remarkable examples of long-distance migratory birds, showcasing incredible endurance and adaptability. These birds undertake extraordinary migratory journeys, often spanning vast distances between their breeding and feeding grounds. The Antarctic tern, Sterna vittata, is renowned for its extensive migration. These small, agile birds travel from their breeding sites along the Antarctic coasts to their wintering grounds, which can be as far north as the Arctic. This journey covers thousands of miles, making them one of the longest migrators in the bird kingdom. During their migration, they rely on favorable wind patterns and abundant food sources to sustain their energy levels. Their migratory behavior ensures they experience 2 summers each year, maximizing their feeding opportunities. Albatrosses, on the other hand, are known for their massive wingspans and long lifespans. Species like the wandering albatross, Diomedea exulans, can travel up to 10,000 miles on a single foraging trip. These birds glide effortlessly over the Southern Ocean, using dynamic soaring techniques to conserve energy. They feed primarily on squid and fish, often following fishing vessels for easy prey. Both Antarctic terns and albatrosses face significant challenges due to climate change and human activities. Habitat loss, overfishing, and plastic pollution threaten their survival. Conservation efforts, such as tracking migration patterns and protecting critical habitats, are crucial for their preservation. Thanks for watching another episode. While you are still here, make sure to click the video on your screen for more quality content.